Ayan ba guys, yung food na kakainin ko. Chicken fajita. Yummy, 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 yummy. One of my favorite food. And bye. Yummy, 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 yummy. See mushroom, bell pepper. And breast chicken with mushroom. A white onion. Yan, yummy. Hello mga guys. Welcome po sa aking channel. Ngayon ay dito ako ngayon sa aking favorite restaurant. Magpapaluto ako ng chicken fajita. My favorite food. Ayan. Later on ay kakain nami kasi too much hungry na. Too much hungry. Hello to everyone. Oh, anong balitaan? Yes. Have a look. See? Oh. Ayan, free ice cream. Free, yes, hello. There is free ice cream in the food court. So, please. Everyone, come here. Just fall in line. There is somebody is giving free ice cream in the food court. Just go in Burger King. There is one sponsored giving away Mr. Kabayan. Oh, see? He's so generous giving free ice cream to all staff. See? Ayan. See? This one, yeah. He is so good. He is so generous giving to all staff free ice cream. So, please, Kabayan too. Kabayan. Shout out naman dyan. Ayan. Ang balitaktakan. At mga guys, pala. Kung ano pinagsasabi ko. Ano lang yan? Parang epekto yata ng gutom. Nagugutom lang ni. Kaya ganito kung ano-ano na pinagsasabi ko. Ayan, shout out naman sa magaling na chef. Oh, see. Hello. He's from? Kumain ka natin para gaganda na yung kalingin mo. Ano yun? Gutom lang pala, no? Ayan ang aking food, see? Ayan, mga guys. Ang aking food. Oh, ang yummy. Ang bango-bango. So, it's time. Ay, bayad ko, oh. Ang bayad ko. Andyan, nilagay ko lang. Ayan. Kain namin. It's time to eat. Every time I'm in food. Shuhadi, why you hide my bag? Excuse me. There's a lot of money. Money is missing. Only a lot. Okay, mga guys, it's time for me to eat. So, this is my yummy food. So, ayan guys, no, it's look like this is chicken fajita. Yeah, so yummy. So mga guys, thank you. It's time for me to eat. Bye. Thank you for watching. Share ko lang sa inyo my lunch break time. So, andito ako ngayon sa food court. There's a view who is eating here. Ayan. So, lantakan ko na yan. Ang yummy na food. Thank you for watching mga guys. Bye. Ayan. Ito na yung aking food. Yummy. Concentrate lang tayo sa kain, di ba? Napakasarap. Saan pa kayo makakakita ng ganito kayami na food? Dito lang. mo lang to, 10 dirham mo. 10. Ang init. Pero yummy. So, i-grill siya. After, may ano siya, onion, white onion, mushroom. There is also mushroom, yummy. Bell pepper. Yeah. And fajita sauce. Seasoning, yeah. Fajita seasoning. Ang sarap talaga. Yummy, yummy. Diba? Laki ng ako. Thank you. Enjoy ko na yung pagkain ko. Bye-bye.